So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. In this video, I will share you latest important updates about Silly Dragon coin. Okay, its price prediction that we can see its price up to $1 to $10 in this bull run or now. So it is going to be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video and make sure to like video. Friends, first of all, here you can see I have opened the Silly coins chart on KuCoin exchange here. Okay, since long time as entire crypto market is dumping, so its price is also dump here. Okay, and here you can see right now its pattern is head and shoulder pattern. Okay, and I also trade too many times for short term this coin, and I'm already holding this coin. Okay, I think for $7 for the long term also. Okay, and here you can see when I'm clicking on sale, I have 447 silly coins also. Okay, you can see they are worth about $8. Okay, and this meme coin is already, I think, 8x down than its all-time high. Okay, when this meme coin has make its all-time high, I think on 27th December, this meme coin has already killed this zero. Okay, $0.16 was its all-time high. Okay, so I will my $8 will be easily converted into $73 if this coin just hit the uh, one its all-time high again. Okay, but if this coin reach the price of $1 here, then my $8 will be converted into $447 here. And when this coin reach just $5 price, then my you can see $8 will be converted into $2200 here. Okay, and it's possible because this meme coin has currently just $18 million market cap only. Okay, and here you can see its current market cap is just $18 million. So from $18 million market cap, if this meme coin can gain the market cap of $1 billion, that's possible for a meme coin. Okay, so definitely then we can see this meme coin to give us 100x profit, at least 100x profit in this bull run. And this meme coin is found by co-founder of Solana, okay, in last year Halloween season. Okay, so that's why this meme coin is very special, and circulation supply is very simple, very small. Here you can see just 999 million coins only, all in circulation, so that's good. Coin is using Solana blockchain, as I already told you. And here you can see we are 88% down in its all-time high. Okay, that was $0.159. Okay, and we are here you can see 182% up than its all-time low that was on 18th December here. Already coin is listed on too many best exchanges. Here you can see Bitget, HTX, KuCoin, and maybe in future we can see its more major exchange listings also. And from Sol Scan, you can check out this coin is soon going to complete 32,000 holders also. Here you can see 31,977 holders. Okay, we are just 23 holders away to complete 32,000 holders. So number of holders are awesome because this is not all meme coin. This meme coin is just 5 months old only. Okay, and its price is right now dumping also. You can see in 30 days price is dumped by 45% here. Okay, so this time can be the good time to take entry in this coin if you want to just invest $5 here. Okay, okay, just $5 you can get 270 coins. Okay, silly coins. And when this will reach $1 price, then your $5 will be converted into $270 here. And if this coin can give us just 100x profit, then your $5 will be easily converted into $500. And I think that is possible that we can see silly coin to give us 100x profit here. And this coin can kill this zero soon. And then in coming bull run, this coin can get the price of $1 or maybe $2, or maybe we can see its price up to $5 here. Okay, so friends, my price prediction for silly coin is we can see its price up to $1 or maybe more in coming 12 to 15 months. Why your price prediction for this coin? You can must comment down below.